Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 175. Let's start with this column here. We're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For the square now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 4. No help here. 3, 4, 8, and a 4 here, so 3, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and a 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 3, 7. 6 and 9 here, so 3, 7. No help here, so 3, 6, 7, 9. 3 and 9 here, so 6, 7. So it looks like the only place our 9 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 5, 7. That 3 again, so 1, 5, 7. And no help here, so 1, 3, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, 7. Got no help here, so 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so 4, 6. We've got the 6 here, so 4, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 7. Got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 7. No help over here. So 3, 4, 3, 4. But with the 7 now, we can get rid of that 7 and that 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got the 3 here. So 1, 6, 8. Same here, 1, 6, 8. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 6, 8. So that means that our 3 for that box has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 6. That means the only place our 8 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 4 here and the 7 here. So 5, 6. We've got 6 here and a 5 here, so 4, 7. And the 5 here, so 4, 6, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 4, 5, 7. We've got the 1 there, so 4, 5, 7. 5 here, and the 1 here, so 4, 7. 5 and 7 here, so 1, 4. So it looks like the only place our 1 can be in this box is here. And then if we look at this column, the only place our 3 can be is here, and the only place our 6 can be is here. That 3 makes this our 8 and our 4. That 6 makes this our 4, 6, 5, So let's clean some stuff up here. That 4 and 6 makes this our 5. So now we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. 4 and 5 makes this our 7. So now we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. Right. That 6 makes this our 4, 7, 4, 5. All right, so now for this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. And the 6 can't be in those two, so it's got to be there. We can get rid of the 6. And for this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. But we've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1, 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. And that 1 and 3 makes this our 5. This 1 and this 8 means this is our 6 and 8. So for this box now, we're missing a 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 there. So 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. And 8 here, so this is our 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1, 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column now, just missing a 5. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 there, so 9 and 1. There we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.